If you don't see incoming calls on Google Pixel 10, if they do not display on the screen, here's what you can do in order to try to solve this issue. So the first thing that we can do is check if the Do Not Disturb mode is active. We can quickly go to modes over here in Quick Settings or the notification tray. You can tap on the button in order to check Do Not Disturb. Of course, we want to make sure that it is disabled. When Do Not Disturb mode is enabled, there is a chance that you won't see the incoming call. Besides that, if that didn't help, if you are sure that it is not enabled, then what you can do is we can go to Settings. We're going to open Settings, proceed to Apps, and then tap over here in order to open the list of all apps. We're going to tap on these three dots in the top right corner, and we want to show System Apps as well. Now we can tap on this icon right next to these three dots in order to search, and we want to type Phone. And over here, we're going to start by going to the Phone app. Let's see if we can select it. It seems that not. Okay, so we're going to close the search and let's just scroll down to Phone. There we go. Let's open it. And the first thing that we want to do is force stop this app. Then we're going to go to Notifications. Make sure that notifications are enabled over here. I'm sure they cannot be even disabled, but just to be sure, we can check if it's enabled. There we go. We also have permissions. Make sure that these permissions are granted, that you have over here in Allowed. Then we're going to go to Storage and Cache, and we want to clear the storage over here. And there we go. Now, after that, we're going to exit this app, and we're going to go to Phone and Messaging Storage. In this case, go to Storage and Cache, and you want to clear the storage or clear cache if it's not possible to clear the storage. Let's go back. Now we're going to open phone calls here, do the same thing. Open storage, clear storage, or cache. There we go. Then we're going to go to phone services and do the same thing. Storage and then clear storage or cache. If you clear storage, you don't have to clear cache because clearing storage also clears the cache files. So let's go back. And another thing that we can look for is the call. So we're going to type call to see what apps do we have over here. Okay, so we already have been in phone calls, so that is pretty much it. All right, so now we can exit the settings. And remember to open the phone app because, well, we force stopped it, so we want to make sure that it is enabled. You may notice that the phone app looks a little bit different right now, and this is pre-update, so you might see some changes, but after a short while, it's gonna be updated, or you can try to go like to the Play Store, for example, in order to check for an update. But hopefully this will help you. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.